So today I thought we can do something a bit more different. So as you can see here, I have some ingredients I just had laying around home. So what I'm gonna do is feed all of this into a prompt on ChatGPT to create a meal plan for the whole day. So I want breakfast, I want lunch, I want dinner, I want some kind of sweet dessert. So we have some protein powder, we have some Greek yogurt, we got some kind of butter, we have eggs, we have some ginger, protein powder, yeah, and we have some cheese. So it's gonna be real interesting to see what ChatGPT suggests from all of this. So let's just head over to the computer and get started. So this is the prompt I have created to do this. So we have ChatGPT's meal plan. So it's just ignore all previous instructions. I want you to act as a chef. Your task is to create a meal plan by picking from a given set of ingredients. Acknowledge with ... Okay, so the next step is going to be create a one-day meal plan for 2 persons for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a sweet dessert from given ingredients. Focused on a balanced macronutrients with most emphasis on protein. And then I just have ingredients equals, and I listed all of the ingredients I had, and then it's just gonna be roll with it and see what we get back. So let's take this over to ChatGPT and see our meal plan. Let's just paste in our first step here and click submit. Sure, I can create a meal plan using the given set of ingredients. What ingredients do you have in mind? Okay, great. Let's just grab our second part here, paste it in, click submit. Okay, wow, this looks kind of great actually. So let's just have a look at the breakfast first. I'm not gonna reveal the other meals yet. So the breakfast is scrambled eggs with avocado. That sounds great. Greek yogurt with blueberry jam and protein powder. Okay, so that's gonna be interesting. I never made that before. So now let's just ask for a step-by-step process for the breakfast. So I just go, give me a step-by-step instruction for the breakfast. This looks kind of easy to follow. So crack 2 eggs in a bowl and whisk them together. Cut the avocado in half and remove the pit. Okay, so kind of detailed instructions of this. I am actually kind of hungry now, so I'm gonna go make that breakfast. Okay, so here it is. This is my avocado with scrambled eggs and some hot sauce. And the other thing here is the Greek yogurt with protein powder and some blueberry jam. I'm a bit more skeptical about that, but I'm gonna try it. So yeah, that is my ChatGPT breakfast. Okay, so let me give this Greek yogurt a chance here. I'm kind of skeptical, to be honest. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that was good. That was not bad. It's kind of sweet. I can barely taste the protein powder. I think it was a bit too much, but yeah, there's some chocolate flavor there too, so very nice. Okay, so it's about 1 o'clock. I just got back from the gym and I'm ready for some lunch. So we are gonna have chicken and broccoli stir fry with rice. It says here feta cheese with herb butter stuffed green peppers. I think I'm gonna skip that because that's a big lunch. So let me just run the step-by-step instructions for the lunch. Okay, so here is the instructions. They're kind of detailed, so I like that. You can see here I added in just skip or remove the green peppers, so it didn't include that. So I'm just gonna follow this step by step. So now let's head over to the kitchen. Okay, so that is my lunch finished. It's some rice with some stir-fried chicken and broccoli. So let's taste it. Okay, so let me just grab some of this. Yeah, that's good. Oh, it was a bit hot though. Oh, perfect. I was kind of expecting that. I knew I liked this, so. But yeah, perfect lunch after being to the gym. So I just got back from a small hike I just did, so I am hungry, that's for sure. So let's see here. So we have our step-by-step instructions for making dinner and dessert. The strange thing here is that we have 2 dinners and a dessert. I don't know why, but we're just gonna go with it. So we have meatball pasta with tomato sauce. So we have some dry pasta, 3 meatballs. That's gonna be sad. I'll show you what. Some ketchup, some cheese, optional, okay. And we got some good instructions here. That's good at least. but that's quite easy to make. And for the second dinner, we have baked salmon with roasted corn. Roasted corn? What is actually roasted corn? Once the corn is roasted, add the full fat cream to the skillet and mix well. Okay, I think I know what that is. And we have some salmon, full fat cream, yeah. That's a bit strange too. Okay, we're gonna go with it. 2 dinners. And for dessert, protein bar with ginger tea. I never drink tea. I haven't drank tea in like years. 2 protein bars, that's too much. So I'm gonna stick with one ginger root sliced and boiled in water. That's a strange dessert. Oh god. But anyway, I'm gonna do it. So let's head over to the kitchen. Okay, so that was that. You can see the pasta here. I didn't have enough tomato sauce, so I just added some cream. Maybe that's a bit cheating, but that was my fault. And look at this. The salmon looks good, but that corn roast cream thing, I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the pasta. It was a bit strong from the hot sauce, but otherwise, I think it's just exactly what you're expecting. Meatballs with ketchup and pasta and cheese. Okay, so let's do the salmon. Okay, it's better than I thought. That corn cream was kind of nice, actually. Okay, yeah, not bad. It's fine. Okay, so let's try to taste this now. So basically what we have here is just boiled water, and I drop that ginger root in it. Oh, that's strong. Spicy. Oh, that's a weird combo. That's a very strange combo. And I'm so full from those 2 dinners. That was very strange. But yeah, that was not too bad. It's not the worst combo you can get. But let's think about this. So remember, in the prompt I put emphasis on protein in the meal plan. And I think we got that. We got the meat in, we got the protein powder in that Greek yogurt, and we have the protein bar now. But I kind of felt like, at least in the dinners, there was no vegetables. It was kind of boring. So I think we had to spice up the prompt a bit if we're gonna get something good. Or maybe I should have just regenerated something, I don't know. But I had a lot of fun making this, and check out this video here if you want to know more about generative AI. And yeah, as always, thank you for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.